What's going on, YouTubers? It's Evan, and I'm back with another video for Mustang Gurus. Sorry guys, I've been absent. I haven't really been able to film content as much as I would like to, and then with it being, I'm in Virginia, so with it being so cold outside, it's harder to, get good content as well. But I'm back. I should be bringing you guys more content for this spring. I just got in some new goodies for the car. I got in some new seats. Got some low profile seat brackets. Also, I have some new carpet and floor mats and stuff as well, just to spruce up my interior some. So I'll be doing an unboxing and also doing a review for you guys. So stay tuned. All right guys, so these are some of the parts I've been receiving over the past 2 months. I guess when you order seats from TMI, they have to custom make them. So these are the low profile seat tracks that bolt to the bottom of the, well, not seat tracks, but seat brackets that bolt to the bottom of the new seats I got. As you can see. So these are low profile seats. I guess when you install aftermarket seats from TMI, they sit a little high, and me being 6'3", I don't want my head hitting the ceiling, so I just went ahead and got the low profile seat brackets. And then also, as you can see, here are the new seats for the Mustang. They're color matched, so I got them in the parchment color that Ford offered. So it took, I ordered these back on October 15th. And today is January 4th, and I'm just getting them. So these are the driver and passenger seat from TMI. Like I said, the color match to, they do color matching to Ford factory interior colors. So these are the parchment tan colors. And then right here, got some more stuff from CJ Pony Parts. I have some, give me a second. I believe these are the seat track extenders. Once again, I said I'm, 6'3", so these will come in handy. Give me like an extra, I believe, inch or two to push my seat back farther, so I won't be all up on the dashboard. And also, I have a billet aluminum satin window switch kit, so I'll be installing that as well. I got that from CJ Pony Parts. Shout out to CJ Pony Parts for all your Mustang needs. Hit up CJ Pony Parts. They give pretty good deals, which I'm not just subject to CJ Pony Parts. I use CJ Pony Parts. I use American Muscle. I use late model restoration, so I'm not really biased to any brand. But like I said, these are the seats right here. I'll be unboxing those soon, showing you guys what they look like. And this is the brand new carpet, a parchment color tan carpet for the interior. I'll be unboxing this because with these you have to lay them out. So I'm gonna see if I can either get like a heat gun to get all the wrinkles and stuff out, or I may just wait for not a cooler day, but a warmer day, and just set it out in the sun just to try to get some of those wrinkles out of it from being in the factory packaging. And then also this right here, these are just some floor mats. I can open these up and show you guys. There's some floor mats I got also. They're in the parchment colorway as well. It's the Ford Racing floor mats that I have. So as you can see, Ford Racing, nothing special. They match the factory interior and have the rear mats as well. So got these to go in the cars as well. Only thing I don't, let me see. Only thing I don't particularly like that I don't see. Okay, cool. It has the hook for the driver's side. So once I get the carpet and everything installed, I'll be installing these as well. just something to spruce up the interior. Like I said, my interior was old looking. I mean, the car was in pretty good shape overall, but the interior needed some work. So, like I said, I'm about to unbox these seats for you guys, and just unbox the carpet and let you guys see what it looks like, just so you can, know what to expect if you order carpet from any of the manufacturers, like Auto Custom Carpet. So if you order carpet from like American Muscle, Late Model Restoration, or CJ Pony Parts, I think they all use Auto Custom Carpets Incorporated. So give me a second and I'll start unboxing these seats for you guys. Already started cutting the straps off, so let's get ready to do a reveal of the seats, see how they look, make sure there's no damage. No damage occurred during shipping. So already got the straps cut off, so let's get ready to see what they look like. All right, guys, give me a second. I want to have to put the camera on the tripod so I can open them up. Unboxing, see what they looking like. Let's see, no staples or anything on them. Okay, I'll take it out for you guys. Alright, so this is seat number 1. This is the which one is this? Alright, this is seat number 1. If I could just figure out, okay. How to get them to sit upward. Okay. Never seen this mechanism before. It's like a little roller wheel. As you can see, it's turning. That's how you get them to sit upright. That's new. So, these are the seats right here. Give a little light in here. These are the seats. They came packaged pretty well, so no rips or tears or anything. Like I said, they got the holes for your racing style seat belts. So I probably will be putting like some 4-point harnesses in here. But overall quality, I can say that they are in pretty decent shape. I like them. They're sturdy. They don't feel cheap. They feel like they were well made. As you can see, you see the TMI logo right there. This is the back of the seat. Like I said, they're pretty decent quality. Like I said, the leather feels great. Seat bottoms look good. Got nice high bolsters for your thigh, so it feels like you're really, tucked into the seat. Nice side bolsters over here. So I can't wait to get these things installed and see how they feel. But these are it, guys, and I gotta say, I'm impressed. They look great. They look great, and I like it because they're that parchment color interior, so it matches my factory interior. That's what I'm hyped about the most. So yeah, guys, these seats look great. Like I said, got the TMI stitched on the side, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is the passenger side, but I'm not sure. But I believe it's the passenger side because the rotating wheel is down here, and you turn this either forward or backwards, and it lets the seat up or it reclines the seat back. So I believe this is the passenger seat. So, like I said, the seats look great. Oh, okay, they got the TMI stitching on both sides of the seat. But I must say they look great, guys. They do look great. And in the box, they just have the TMI Pro Series seat sliders. So I'm not gonna open that box. Once I do the install, I'll open it up and let you guys see what hardware comes with it and everything. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Just want to do a little unboxing, show you guys what the seats look like. Once I get the seats installed, to get the carpet installed and everything, I'll pretty much give you like a review, let you know how difficult it was, if I ran into any problems or anything like that. But for the most part, like I said, the seats look great and I am satisfied. So until next time. Basically, like I said, I did an unboxing of one of the seats. I'm not gonna unbox both of them. I did an unboxing. Like I said, the seats were in great shape, great quality. I would recommend anybody to buy these seats who's looking to, you know, redo the interior if the interior is old, or, you know, your seats are ripped or anything. So I would, you know, recommend these seats. But like I said, for this video, like I said, I just want to do the unboxing, show you guys what I've been up to so far this winter. As I said before, I've been having, you know, personal problems, you know, personal things come up, so I haven't really been able to film like I want to. So this spring I look forward to uploading a lot of content, and you know, giving you guys some great content. As I stated, I will do the install on the seats, and once I get the carpet in and everything, and do the install on the seats and let you guys see what they look like. I think they're gonna come out great. Other than that, that's probably it for this video. So you guys, like I said, keep supporting. You know, if you haven't had a chance to, go ahead and like and subscribe. I want to start, like I said, posting content so you guys can have more stuff to look forward to. Pretty much stuff that, you know, some guys haven't even, you know, put on YouTube, because I don't think I've really saw like you know, a factory interior upgrade with these seats. So I think I might be the first one to post this content on YouTube. So you guys stay tuned, and got some great content coming towards you. If you haven't already, like I said, like and subscribe. And then if you want to, follow me on Instagram. It's Stang, STANG _gurus. I'll put that at the bottom of the video. So if you want, you guys can hit me on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. And also, I always post updates on Instagram as well when I got new content coming to YouTube. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for your continued support. And I look forward to giving people what they want, and that's great content. So thanks, and Stang Gurus is out.